Hi guys, are you excited about the new iPhone? Who isn't? Well, if you want to get hold of one, I'm giving away 4 iPhone 10s, 256GB space gray. All you have to do is like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let's get my trusting knife and get into the unboxing. We have to be really careful on this. Or you can just pull the tab. Silly me. Now let's unbox it. Designed by Apple in California. The manual and then the stickers. Yep, that's there. And then the brand new iPhone 10 space gray. Let's see what else comes in the box. The AirPods, the dongle, the charging cable, and the measly 5-volt charging brick. All the usual suspects. Let's unwrap it. Oh yeah, that's the sound. The brand new iPhone 10 unwrapped. In the following weeks, I'll be using this iPhone 10 as my daily driver to see if I got the bang for my buck. Once again, if you want to win the iPhone 10 giveaway, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.